I mean, like after that. That's true. That.
Yeah, I like the badge when it's got the coyote on it. That's it.
Yeah. That's good.
Okay, give us your 3 best.
Oh, that's what mine does. You know, go visit that.
I've never heard that.
Sounds amazing. It's a triple blower. That's surprising.
All right, you ready to use your best friend there? Let's go.
They're from the same club, I think. I think they're in the same club.
Yeah, they get that little badge.
All right, very good. Give us 3. Shake my head.
Sounds pretty good.
The boys are hungry today. Anyway, Ray Ross tells us about the top. It's an old fire dog. Just a 4.6 liter, got dual flow masters and a full air intake. All right, let's give us the big 2 pulls. All right, let's get it.